quick, easy, delicious lunch or dinner idea in under 30 minutes. But if you want to see how, just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, welcome back. And to those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. So let's prepare this one now, guys. Lunch with me, guys. This is a fast and easy one. We're going to use some air fryer fries. We're going to steam some broccoli, and we're just going to season this and marinate for 5 minutes. Then we pan sear them. And the season I'll be using for the chicken are onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. We're going to use salt, pepper, and a bit of cayenne pepper. So let's prep the chicken. And some garlic powder. We're going to put a tip of olive oil to this as well. So this is chicken breast. We're going to put a tip of olive oil. And marinate this well and leave it for at least 10 minutes. You got me, babe. I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe. I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. You got me, babe. I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, babe. I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. This is good enough. Okay. So we're just going to steam this for a couple of minutes. pan-sear or chicken breast. Just adding a bit of olive oil, and we have our water on to put our broccoli just to steam for 3 minutes. Air fryer preheating. I'm going to put this in. This take 12 to 18 minutes in the air fryer. So let's preheat this for 3 minutes, then we can add our fries. I'm adding my fries. I think that's good enough along with the broccoli. Water come to a boil. 2 minutes and that's ready. Flip our chicken. Two minutes more and the chicken ready. So here you have it, guys. Lunch ready in under 30 minutes. Simple. Side of veggies and your protein and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this one, please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Put the bell on for future uploads, and until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.